Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm here with Labib. We're at the garage getting the new side skirts on the car. Vauxhall Astra H XP kit, that's what it's called. So that's the XP side skirt we're going to be attaching to the car, so stay tuned guys and have a look. Self-tapping. A very good ride. Bloody fast. Next one. Oh. Look at Labib doing body work. Beautiful body work. Before. After. Screw holes, drain hole.
So this
Labib's asshole.
holes or what?
Drain hole.
Drains the water when it gets stuck inside. And then obviously
Drain
this
hole,
is what used
screw hole, and Labib's asshole.
Bro, leave my fucking asshole hole.
Hold in it, yeah, hold it. He's gonna screw in it.
How long am I holding that for?
Just hold in it till he comes back, and then you just screw them in, isn't it? Look at this handy man.
That's how you know you're getting the job done.
Yalla.
Look at that.
Let's see your shirt, man. Let's see. Oh my god.
Come on. We don't play games.
Jobs are good in.
We don't play games on this channel.
No games. Only the games that you do see on my channel. No the games. Look at the beautiful. Let go. Did you drop again? Yeah. Oh wow, how fancy. Now guys, this is the splitter. Took the masking tape off. Is it this side the spot or is it the other side? This side's alright.
Yeah, this side's okay.
So this side's fine.
This side you can still see all this stuff
Glue.
here. But
Yeah,
that's
clean
something
off.
that can, yeah, can clean off. Just whack
These are the XP side skirts in it.
it,
And I'll show you the other side one. Yeah, they just make the car. What the hell? Another toe. Look, so we're just gonna re-glue this part.